Hello traders, it's Yanis here and welcome to our weekly Renko forecast. I have some pairs in mind that were giving us some good movements, or we are waiting to give some movements. I will start with EURCHF. You already see, of course, that we are already short with our last position running like 400 pips. And let's say the dominant settings is M12. Price is really volatile. 12 EMA is holding, and actually you can see volatility is even stronger here. And the only thing I have that in mind, because we already know that it is a late entry, of course, but I'm talking about volatility here. So I'm counting on that. I want another retracement, as you can see my nice Picasso drawing here, and actually I will be going for 600 pips more, so my last position will be going for 1000 pips. And of course, money management rules, you already know. We discuss about that every day on our live room. Don't forget money management rules. GBP New Zealand dollar. If we check a little bit closer, we will see that we have also a very powerful trend line broken. Again, price is entering on a big zone here. My strategies are already there waiting. The system is there, and all I need right now is another retracement. Some would say, can't I go short? You will be going for 50 or 60 pips. So why in a hurry? Why go for 50, 60 pips and not go for 500 or 600? That means go 10 times. Look at the bigger picture. We check higher settings, and this is our advantage. We always look at the bigger picture and we aim at the bigger picture. So I would like to go long on GBP New Zealand dollar. Euro Aussie, another powerful combination coming from higher settings. So again, here you can see my crossovers, my trend line break, my bounce, my higher low, and many filters. The ones that we use are applied here. So as soon as I get my retracement, I will go long. This is like 600 pips to go. Someone would say, but that might take a week. I don't care. I am waiting for the price to do what I want it to do. I'm not chasing anyone. I'm not trying to catch up anything or everything, because eventually I would get tired. Consider yourself as a sniper. Wait for the proper time to take the shot. This is exactly the same thing. So in here you can see that there are filters applied, and the only thing missing is what I have drawn here, a retracement. So this is what I'm waiting. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I don't care. This is what I want, and this is what I will wait for Euro Aussie to go long. If we check GBPCAD, we will also see a very powerful downtrend being over. Multiple tops, and also in lower settings a really nice combination waiting to happen. So you see, I don't know if it's going to happen or not. I draw my lines and I'm waiting for that to happen. And in case what I want happens, this is like going to give me 500 pips. Remember, these are pairs that we check them daily with our live room. So whenever there is an opportunity, we take a trade, or if we don't get that opportunity, we adjust according to our many strategies. So on GBPCAD I want to go long. On Euro New Zealand dollar, price is not in a very good spot, but the good thing is either direction is valid. If I look a little bit higher, but actually much higher, you will see that I have entered a zone of 1000 plus pips. And in case price wants to retrace, I will be going for 400 or 600 pips plus. Although if I look at the history, which is something of course you should always do, we will see that 12 EMA is holding on higher settings, and thus my trend line. So either direction is valid, and the only thing that we want, like Nikos used to say, is to practice one of the best strategies: patience. AUDCAD, as you can see, again multiple bottoms, price continues to go short, lower highs, crossovers, and plenty of room. So where the price is right now till my next potential target, we are talking about 390 pips. What I'm looking for is an opportunity, and because this is something I don't like it that much, I would like to get another setup below that. Again, extra confirmation. You know why we use our 1, 2, 3s or ABCs. We use it for two type of reasons. So again, AUDCAD, if we get the setup, we can go short. AUDQE, the retracement is bigger than expected, but that can always be a good thing. Price has bounced, higher low, trendline break, crossovers, and again, this is what I'm looking for, and this is my target, and I could even draw a trend line like that. So this is 540 pips waiting for me to get them. And again, once more, what I need is doing the top-down approach, being 100% focused, and of course follow the system. So here, the next week, we will be waiting for a long opportunity for AUDQE. Thank you very much, have a beautiful weekend, and see you again as always Monday night with our top-down approach. Stay safe everybody, bye bye.